In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the header and footer from a page in Squarespace. Whether you're looking to revamp the design of your website or simply want more control over individual page layouts, this tutorial will guide you through the process step by step. It's a simple but effective way to customize your Squarespace site, and we'll make sure it's hassle-free. Let's start at the beginning. First, you'll need to navigate to your Squarespace home. Open up your Squarespace account and access your website dashboard. Once you're there, you'll see a variety of options on the left-hand side panel. This is your command center where you can make all sorts of customizations to your website. Next, you'll want to click on Pages. This is where all your site's content is organized. Here you can view every page you've created and manage their settings. To move forward, locate the page you want to modify. For instance, if you're working on the home page, find it within the list and get ready for the next step. Look for the small gear icon next to the page. Clicking on this icon will bring up a set of page-specific settings. It's like diving deeper into the page where you can adjust various configurations that pertain only to this particular section of your site. Once inside the page settings, click on Navigation from the menu on the left. The navigation settings will allow you to modify how your page interacts with the site's navigation elements, including making adjustments to the header and footer. In the navigation area, you'll find switches labeled Show Header and Show Footer. These controls determine whether each respective element is visible on your selected page. To remove the header, simply toggle the Show Header switch off. This action will effectively hide the header, giving the page a cleaner look. Similarly, to remove the footer, do the same with the Show Footer switch, ensuring that it too is toggled off. This is particularly useful if you wish the content to stand alone, free from the confines of the default navigation elements. Finally, and perhaps most importantly, click Save. This step confirms all your changes, ensuring they are applied and visible on your live site. It might seem small, but without saving, all your adjustments could vanish if you navigate away from the page settings. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to remove the header and footer from a page in Squarespace. It's a straightforward process, but it can make a significant difference in how your site looks and functions. With this newfound skill, you're well on your way to personalizing your website with greater precision. Thank you for watching, and happy editing!